out this first pattern carefully and then tell me what we should write in the blank space. What should be the next one?
Circle.
Okay, fine.
And
That's correct. Wait, I'll use red color. Okay, so it will be a circle. Very good. And next one?
circle after another circle in inside.
Okay, so you can say that 2 circles, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fine, that's correct. Very good, Veda. Good. Ayan, Pururu, now look at the second pattern. Yeah, Ayan, first shape.
Okay, ma'am.
First shape.
Triangle,
Then?
circle, triangle, circle, triangle,
The next?
comma, dash.
Yes, Ayan. Next shape. What shape?
After triangle, circle.
Yes, after this triangle, there will be a circle. Okay, now next.
Triangle.
Yes, and next shape will be a triangle. That's correct. Okay, fine. That's correct. Okay. It's a triangle, children. Second one. Okay, fine. Vineet?
Ma'am.
Yeah, third pattern. First shape.
First shape is square.
Then 2 lines are there.
2 lines and square, 2 lines and square. Here come 2 lines and square.
Again, 2 slanting lines will be there.
And square.
Yes, and next one will be a square. That's correct. So we'll draw a square. Okay, good. That's correct. Now, next. Tanvishree, please unmute yourself and tell me what is there in next bit, fourth bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth bit.
Fourth bit. One cross is there.
We have arrow which is pointing towards right hand side, right?
Yes, right side arrow.
Okay.
Up side arrow. Next is left side arrow and upside arrow and right side arrow. Next is upside arrow, ma'am.
Very good. That's correct. Very good, Tanvishree. So we'll make an upside arrow here. And next one?
Left side arrow.
Very good. Next will be a left side arrow. That's correct. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Swarnika, please unmute yourself. Swarnika? Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Swarnika. Fifth bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
One flower and is equal to.
You can say 2 horizontal lines. Yes, can you say that?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
One flower.
2 horizontal lines.
2 horizontal lines.
Horizontal lines.
Horizontal lines.
Okay, next.
One flower.
Okay, 2 lines. You can say 2 lines. If you are unable
2
to.
lines.
Yeah. Then
one flower, 2 lines.
yes. So what should be the next?
One flower, two lines.
Yeah. So again there will be one flower. We will make that flower.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. And then two horizontal lines. So we'll draw two horizontal lines then. Okay, fine. Sudhamsh? Sudhamsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhamsh, look at F bit. Bit F. Tell me what is there.
F bit lo first one చెప్పమంటున్నారు.
Circle.
Then?
Circle.
Huh?
Triangle.
Then? Rectangle. Say rectangle.
Rectangle.
Then?
F bit చూడు.
Then next, what is the shape?
Circle.
Then?
Triangle.
Then what should be the next shape?
Rectangle.
Yes, next shape will be a rectangle. So we will draw a rectangle here. Now, next shape after this rectangle?
Circle.
Yes, next shape will be a circle. So we will draw a circle here. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Brinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Brinda, tell me. Bit G.
G. Okay, ma'am.
First shape.
Square.
Rectangle, that's not a square. Square has all its four sides equal, but this is a rectangle. Only opposite sides are equal. Rectangle, then
Circle.
circle.
Triangle.
Okay.
Rectangle.
Okay.
Circle.
Then next shape
Triangle.
Yes, next will be a triangle. Very good.
Triangle.
Okay. And after this triangle?
Square. Rectangle.
Yes, after this triangle, again there will be a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Yeah. that- Okay. Sai Ritvik, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Ritvik, last bit.
Circle. Circle. Circle.
Okay, can we say that this is, it looks like a circle, then two petals, right? Okay.
Two petals.
Okay, then in the next one,
Two petals. Two petals.
Sai Ritvik, look at the pattern carefully. In the first one, two petals are there. In the second one, how many are there?
Four.
In the second one.
One.
Okay, first tell me in the first one, how many petals are there? One and two. How many are there in the
Two.
first one? Two. In the
One, two.
second
One and two.
one, two, and three.
One, two. Three petals.
In next one,
1, 2, 3, 4 petals.
very good. Then in the next one, how many should be there?
5 petals.
Yes, so we will draw 5 petals here. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. And in the next one, how many will be there?
6.
Oh, yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, that's correct. Very good. Yes, children, please do this quickly. I'll give you 1 minute time. After that, we'll start next revision. Yes, children, do it quickly. Done, or is there anyone who is still completing this page? Anyone? Yes, anyone? No one? Okay, fine. So I'm clearing this. I want you all to take out new page. Yes, children, take out new page, write date and classwork, and then revision number 3. I'm clearing this now. Yes, children, take out new page, write date and classwork. Okay, please write these 8 questions. Okay, we'll start now. Now what we have to do here is we have to compare the given numbers. We always start comparing the numbers in in hundreds place first, because this is a 3-digit number. So if I talk about this first number, which is 245, 5 is in ones place, then this 4 is in tens place, and this 2 is in hundreds place, right? And in this number 344, 4 is in ones place, then this next 4 is also this next 4 is in tens place, and this 3 is in hundreds place, right? Now whenever a 3-digit number is given to us, we have to start comparing the digits in hundreds place first, right? So if I talk about number 245 in hundreds place, we have 2 here, and in number 344 in hundreds place we have 3 here, and we know that 3 is always greater than 2, right? So which number will be greater? 344 will be greater than 245, right? So we will put this symbol, that is 344 is greater than 245, right? Okay. Now, Ronald, please unmute yourself and tell me what. Ronald? Rohit Chaudhary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Rohit Chaudhary, tell me what are the two numbers in second bit? Read those two.
102,
Yes, 100. 123
123,
and
500,
which number is greater?
500.
Yes, again we'll compare the digits in hundreds place. So we know that 500 is always greater than 120. Correct answer. Okay. Now, next one. Hayati, please read third bit and tell me what are the two numbers. Yes, Hayati.
367.
And what is the next number?
101.
Very good. 367 and 101. Which number is bigger?
367.
That's the correct answer here. 367 is greater than 101. Now, Tarini, please read fourth question.
Yes.
Fourth question.
478
And
milliseconds with
478
and 499.
very good. So which number is greater here? Yes.
499.
Yeah, 499 is greater than 478. Yes, children, here first you will compare the digits in hundreds place. So digit and hundreds place are same. So we will compare the digits in tens place now. So digit in tens place are 7